It's not that cold, guys, outside. Whew. You see the time of the night? I'm going out just to find this damn boba, just to do the damn test. I hear everybody talking about this damn boba, and I want to put it to the test and try it and see if it tastes good, or not. I've heard multiple people talk about it, multiple YouTubers and other people. Even my nephew told me about it, like I think a few months ago, and I tried it one time, but that one was a really bad one. I didn't really like that one. That was a long time ago, probably like a year ago or less. So I want to try it again to see if it's gonna disappoint me again. I want to try multiple of them, guys. So I'm gonna buy a few of them. So guys, we're here to buy some boba at the store, or at the, I don't even know what this place is anyway.
Number 32.
Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, so y'all can see earlier that we are actually trying boba for the first time. We went to the location and got it. I don't know what they taste like. I think I tried it probably like a few months, or probably like 8 months ago, and I did not like the one that I tried, but that's a long time ago. I can't tell you what it tastes like now. So I have a guest with me today, Nikai. So we will be doing Boba's taste test, and this is his first time trying it just as me. So we're gonna give our honest opinions on them, what they taste like. All right, so we do have some more straws to put in them. All right.
Why is it so hard?
Just pull it out like that.
That's nonsense, and you should know better.
Alright guys, so we have 5 flavors here. First we have the matcha, milk tea, mango, green tea, caramel, milk tea, winter melon juice, and strawberry slush. So these are all the flavors we have. We chose 5 different ones. There were like a lot, more than 50 different flavors, but I chose the ones that I feel like I probably would like, or maybe not like. I don't know. And the line was pretty long, so I didn't have a lot of time to try to decide. So we're gonna try them each and see what we like, and see if we don't like it, I'm gonna give our honest opinions. Which one do you want to try first?
This one.
Alright, try strawberry. I have to tell what it tastes like. Not even if that one that tastes good or not, because it looks so too slushy. Let me try. It matcha, isn't it? It tastes in your mouth. It come up in your mouth.
It's kind of good.
You like it?
I would like this.
Yeah? Alright, so guys, honestly, me, this is a hit and miss. I'm not saying I don't like it. Me not say me don't like it, me not say me like it. It's like,
Mid.
yeah, it's like in between. And as I said, it's a strawberry slush. It has like a really kind of fresh bland taste to it.
Try it again. And make sure you really taste it.
I'm tasting it.
Keep it in your mouth, make sure you taste it. You think it's fresh?
Yeah, it's fresh. It's sweet too. Really? No, sir. I don't. It's not my favorite. It would not be something I would order again. If you're like probably on a diet or you want something not too sweet, I think this will be the right one for you. It's good, milky. I like the milky taste of it. I'm not gonna lie. But you can hardly taste the strawberry in it. Then I like it.
I like it.
Yeah. Well, he likes it. That's okay. All right, we're gonna try the winter melon next. All right. don't like this. It tastes, you know, in Jamaica it tastes like sugar and water.
It tastes like coffee.
I don't drink coffee, so I don't even know the taste of coffee anyway.
It's like coffee or tea.
Yeah, it tastes, that's why it's called a tea, right? What's the name? Watermelon, winter melon juice. I don't know why, in my head, I swear so it said, this whole time I thought it said like watermelon. But it's actually winter melon juice. So you don't like that one?
It's okay. I would drink it.
I wouldn't drink it again. It tastes like sugar and water in Jamaica. Guys, you don't know what sugar and water mean because he grew up here in Canada.
Oh, it tastes like sugar grass. Or no, fever grass. That's the
This
tea.
tastes nothing like fever grass.
It tastes like fever grass.
No,
tea.
it don't.
Why should anybody believe in Ninja Man?
I don't care if you believe me after you know God.
You taste fever grass is like the only black tea we drink.
No, I love it. I drink fever grass.
Nah, I don't
It
like
kind
it.
of tastes like it. It's somewhat, a little bit. You can't lie, a little bit.
Well, he said it tastes like fever grass tea in Jamaica. I absolutely disagree, but it's just his taste buds, right? Next, we're gonna do the caramel matcha, the caramel milk tea. You try it first. Me don't know. I feel like I'm going to like this.
It's alright.
Me feel like I'm going to like this. Me don't know why. Because anything that has caramel in it is always my thing.
You might not like it. I like it though.
I like it. It tastes like coffee and coffee with caramel in it.
Yeah, that's exactly what it tastes like. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like the bubbles? What do you think of the bubbles so
Yeah.
far? There's different types of bubbles. There's ones that have juice in them and they pop. There's different types, so you don't.
I don't know what these ones are, but I don't really like the bubbles in these. And they even give me they gave me like all the same bubbles.
I think you might have to different. Well, I guess they're called pearls. Maybe you have to order different pearls. Because I've gone to different ones and they have different bubbles. I'm pretty sure. These ones you have to chew. The other ones that I've had, they just pop and they have like juice in them or whatever you want to call it. Like strawberry.
Guys, I like this one. All right, next we're gonna try the mango green tea. Anything that has freaking green tea in it, and my tea. I don't like green tea stuff.
So why did you order them?
I just wanted to try it. They had like many, but like I wanted to see. I could be wrong though. I might like it. I don't know. Mango I like, but green tea no. That's why I don't know what's like the mix.
Weird taste. You don't like it?
No, I wouldn't buy it again.
Oh.
You can taste the mango and the green tea mix, but they don't do well together.
It's like weird.
Weird taste. I wouldn't do them together. Yeah, I like it too. Well, guys, doesn't like that one. That's fine, right? All right. So the last one we're gonna try is the matcha milk tea. Me, I don't like matcha stuff. Anything matcha is not my thing. I've tried matcha a long time ago and I did not like it. I had a feeling I won't like this one, but it's green, it's pretty. I'm putting it to the test.
Not at all. It's very fresh.
Fresh. But me would drink this about the only thing women I like nothing with milk in it.
I like it in a weird way. I like it. Like, if you don't want anything sweet and you're just going to relax, just to like have it to drink around, you know, this would be my go-to.
So you buy this again?
Yeah, I would have it again.
He said he would buy it again. Me, I would say the same thing. I would buy this again, but it wouldn't be something I buy like reoccurring. I would probably buy it every once in a while, or if I'm like going on the road for something and I'm like, okay, let me grab this. I would order this again. But these two, I don't think I would order this again. The strawberry slush, maybe not, but I'm more on the maybe not side.
I really like the strawberry.
But the winter melon and the mango, there's no way. Green tea and mango together, that looks like two different, like completely
Like separate categories.
yeah, like it's like mango in anything with, for me, usually good. But I don't drink anything that has green tea in it. I don't know why I chose to get that one, but I wanted to put it to the test anyway. I might order more one day and test them all out. I feel like I would like all the ones that have milk in them, but the milk ones seems to be better.
Part 2?
Yeah, maybe part 2. But I like this. I like it, guys. Which one would you say your favorite is?
It's between these two.
Yeah, my favorite is the caramel milk tea for
Wait,
sure.
hold up.
See, I'm taking so much time to decide.
I can't pick.
Why?
They're both good.
No. Guys, the strawberry slush tastes completely different from the caramel milk tea.
But they're still good. You can have 2 different sandwiches and they can both be good.
Yeah, but one has to be better.
Not necessarily.
Yes, one has
It's-
to be something in it that just turn your eyes to that more.
Coke and Pepsi, what's the difference?
I would drink Coke over Pepsi.
It's the same thing.
Guys, I mean, I drink pop nuts. I don't drink sodas, and I don't drink pops at all. But if I'm supposed to choose, I would choose the Coke over the Pepsi. I've never liked Pepsi since growing up.
There is no difference. It doesn't taste.
The
any
taste different. The
No,
Coke
it does
tastes
not.
different from Pepsi
Does
by
not.
far. You're lucky. Well, he doesn't. So you don't have your favorite.
It's between these two. I'd say both of them are my favorites.
That's weird. But caramel milk tea, I'm gonna order it again. This one's gonna be mine because me like this. I like this. All of them. If I'm supposed to rate them, what would you give out of 10? How much would you rate each of them?
8, 3. You know what? 10? No, 9, 8.5, or maybe a 9. A 9. 3. 1. No. Yeah, 1. Also a 3.
Okay. Alright, so that means you like this more because you said this is a 9 and 8.5 or 9. That means you like this more. Move.
It's in between. I like this a lot, but I also like that too.
Fine. Alright, guys, out of 10, I would give this 6. This 3. This 10. This 0. And this 6 as well.
I would bring that into the negatives.
This not true?
Yeah.
Like this, oh my god, I don't know what the hell they were thinking putting green tea and mango together. Who in their right mind? So guys, also he told me that for each of them they probably do have different bobas.
Bubbles.
Bubbles, I mean, different bubbles or pearls. I guess he said you have to ask or request it. I did not know they put all the same bubbles in. They put all the same bubbles in all of these, so they're literally the same thing. I don't know if they do actually have different bubbles, but I would go there and try again and see. What do you guys think? Have you ever tried any of these before? It's our first time. I'm not sure if y'all have ever tried it. Let me know in the comment section below which one you have ever tried. It doesn't have to be any of these. It could have been like any boba at all. And you can also give me suggestions as to which one I should try and see to see if I would like it. And we will probably do a part 2 another time. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think though. But guys, it was alright. Anyways, guys, I hope that you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Guys, I have hit my 1,000 subscribers mark, and I thank you so much. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. Very soon I'll be having a giveaway, and I will let you guys know what the giveaway will be and how the winners will be chosen, right? Thank you guys so much for watching and reaching it to the end of my video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I can't hold up, we can never go down. All the way up from here, that's what